Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Tammy.
Welcome to our home. Today, we're going to open some pin mail. And when we're finished, we're going to give you guys an opportunity to trade some of these pins that we may not want to keep in our collection. So stick around for that. Okay, so let's not waste any time. I like to open my pin mail pretty quick, don't you, Tammy?
I do.
Because, well,
It's exciting.
I like pin mail. So, now this is some pin mail while Tammy gets it out. This is some pin mail that we picked up from somebody in Alaska, as a matter of fact. Very nice lady. This is a couple times we've bought from her, but we have some pretty good sized pins here. Check this one out.
Oh, that's cool. That's a Festival of the Arts pin.
It is from 2019.
Oh my goodness.
And then here is a Very Merry Christmas Party Jumbo pin from 2014.
And the D23.
It's a super cool D23
Yeah,
Mickey
that's a
pin.
super cool D23.
This is some of those little character sets.
Oh, these are cute.
So those are from Peter Pan.
Yes.
This is from Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah.
Here you go. Oh look, she gave us a couple buttons.
Oh,
That's
cool.
very nice.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Here's a couple of Tinkerbells. Oh, that's cute. A little Thumper Easter pin.
Oh look, here's a Star Wars.
Oh, that's cool.
Like that other set. Yeah, you should open that one. That one looks cool.
Oh, this is has an Epcot pin and then a lanyard medal.
Check that out.
Oh, that's cool.
That's 5 pins.
That's
it's a
neat.
set from the Halloween party in 2007, so that was cool.
Oh, here's the Stitch emoji set.
Unlock the fun. We have a Daisy Easter 2002.
Here is a, oh, that's cute. Experiment Cuteness, and it's Stitch's girlfriend. I'm sorry, excuse me, I don't remember her name. And then a Disney Vacation Club pin.
I think her name's Angel.
Angel, that's right. That is her name.
So.
Yes. Couldn't.
Yeah, very cool. So these are our pins. What we're going to do is we're going to put these on a board, and those of them that we're going to be trading away, you guys can trade for, and we'll put that on our Facebook page at Managing Mickey. So you can tune in over there after this video post, and they'll already have pictures up, and you'll be raring to go for trading if you're interested in any of these. So we'll have a board up while we're talking here so you guys can see that and see what all we're going to trade. So we appreciate you guys joining in. Hopefully it's exciting to you now since we're going to be trading some of these away. So we're going to pick one of these pins as a special maybe giveaway pin. And that particular pin, you'll want to look for the timestamp in our video here and then comment that down below, and then we'll contact you about getting that pin. And what we'll do is we'll enter you into a drawing, and then we'll give that away. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, from our house to yours.